Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of creativity and sustainability. We'll show you how to transform old tools and scrap materials into stunning, rustic industrial fusion lamps. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, these stylish creations will add a unique touch to your home decor. So grab your materials and let's get crafting. Upcycling is much more than a trend. It's a lifestyle choice that promotes environmental responsibility. By transforming old, discarded items into new treasures, we help reduce waste that ends up in landfills. Every old tool you find has its own story, and when you give it a second life, you create a unique blend of history and artistry in your home. This not only beautifies your space, but also communicates your values, showcasing a commitment to sustainability along with personal creativity. To kick off this project, you'll need a variety of old tools and other materials. Think creatively. Wrenches can become lampstands, saw blades could serve as bases, and old gears might make for interesting decorative elements. Additionally, you'll require electrical components, a lamp socket, wire, a plug, and a suitable light bulb. Visit local flea markets, thrift stores, or even your garage to find these items. Having everything collected beforehand ensures that you won't have to stop midway through the project to search for materials. When selecting tools for your lamp, consider both aesthetics and function. A good design relies on the right balance of materials. Some might contribute strength, while others enhance visual appeal. Begin by sketching your ideas, which can help you visualize how each piece will fit into the overall structure. Don't hesitate to play with different arrangements. Sometimes the most unexpected combinations curate the most striking designs. Remember, the creative process is all about experimentation. As we enter the hands-on phase of our project, let's talk about safety. Always prioritize your well-being when working with tools and electrical materials. Equip yourself with gloves, goggles, and ear protection when necessary. Clear your workspace of any unnecessary clutter to prevent accidents. If you're unsure about electrical components, consider doing thorough research or consulting a professional. Taking these precautions will help ensure a smooth and safe crafting process. The lamp's base is its foundation, affecting both stability and design. Choose your largest tools, perhaps a heavy wrench or an old saw blade, to provide a strong and sturdy foundation. Depending on your design, you may need to weld or bolt pieces together. Ensure everything is level and secure. A solid base is crucial for not only functionality, but also aesthetic appeal. This phase is where your creativity starts to shine, transforming everyday tools into striking art. Once your base is complete, it is time to install the electrical components. Carefully attach the lamp socket to your base, making sure it's secure but allowing easy access for later. Follow the instructions provided with the socket kit closely, as different kits may have varying requirements. Pay close attention to the orientation of the socket and ensure it aligns with your design. This step is essential to ensure the safety and functionality of your lamp. Now that the socket is in place, let's move on to wiring, a crucial step that often intimidates first-timers. Before beginning, ensure your workspace is free of distractions. Strip the ends of your wires and connect them to the lamp socket according to the standard electrical color code, usually black for live, white for neutral, and green or copper for ground. If there's any confusion, numerous tutorials online can assist you in visualizing these connections. A successful wiring process ensures your lamp functions properly and safely. With the lamp now structurally sound, it's time to add personal flair. This is your chance to enhance the design and truly make it your own. Consider using paint, varnish, or even natural finishes to highlight the textures of the tools. You might opt for a rustic patina or a sleek metallic finish, depending on your desired aesthetic. Incorporating visually appealing light bulbs like vintage Edison bulbs can create an alluring glow, further enhancing the industrial vibe. As we move to final assembly, make sure to double-check all components are securely attached. This is the moment to include any last decorative touches you might have in mind. Clean the lamp to remove dust, grease, and fingerprints for a polished finish. Ensure your wiring is neatly stored away to prevent tangling. Once everything is in place, this step solidifies your hard work into a functional piece of art. Now comes the most exhilarating part, testing your lamp. Plug it in and flip the switch to see if it lights up. If it doesn't, don't panic. Carefully check your wiring and connections. Troubleshooting this step is a common part of the DIY process. Once your lamp shines brightly, take a moment to relish in your achievement. This is the culmination of your creative efforts and a testament to the beauty of upcycling. With your lamp glowing beautifully, ponder how it fits within your existing decor. The right positioning can enhance the atmosphere of any room, whether it's a cozy reading nook or a striking focal point in a living area. Experiment with different placements and consider how the lamp interacts with other elements in the space. Your new creation can bring warmth and style, transforming an ordinary setting into an inviting environment. Thank you for joining us on this creative adventure. If you enjoyed this project, please show your support by liking the video, subscribing to our channel for more inspiring DIY ideas, and sharing this with friends who might also appreciate the beauty of upcycled art. We look forward to seeing you in our next project as we continue to explore the limitless world of crafting together.